What a beautiful day. So much fun. Great flying so far. Still got more coming your way, folks. We have got a great demonstration coming up by the C-17 Globemaster III. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to introduce the United States Air Force 437th Airlift Wing at Charleston Air Force Base. I'll be describing for you today's flight demonstration by America's premier airlifter, the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III, the aircraft that ensures rapid global mobility for America. The aircraft taking off in a maximum angle climb, demonstrating its impressive power and the ability to depart an airport where enemy resistance is suspected. With a departure climb angle of just over 25 degrees, the aircraft will reach over 1,500 feet before crossing the departure end of the runway. The pilots for today's demonstration are Lieutenant Colonel G.D. Ferris, Captain Matt Gentry, and Captain Brad Head. The loadmasters are Master Sergeant Joel Klassen and Master Sergeant Will Green. This crew has a combined total of over 19,500 hours of flying in various aircraft, including the C-17 Globemaster, C-141 Starlifter, T-37 Tweed, T-6 Texan, and T-1 Jayhawk. The C-17's first pass today will be a high-speed pass. After completing a teardrop maneuver to align with the runway, the crew will accelerate to 300 knots, demonstrating the rapid strategic capability of the airplane. The C-17 design includes a modern computerized glass cockpit, heads-up displays at both pilot stations, an advanced cargo handling system allowing it to operate with a crew half the size of current aircraft. Only 3 crew members are required to fly a C-17. The aircraft's advanced design allows it to accomplish its entire mission with this minimum crew. Notice how quiet the C-17 is while passing its show center. This gives the Globemaster a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory, and it also is environmentally friendly. The C-17 provides a direct delivery capability that combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of large aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy with the short runway capability of a much smaller C-130 Hercules. It can routinely land on runways only 3,500 feet long. The C-17 is powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney F-117 engines. These are the same engines used on the Boeing 757. Each engine delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust. This amount of thrust allows the Globemaster III to carry over 170,000 pounds of cargo. The range of the C-17 with this amount of cargo is 2,400 nautical miles. However, the C-17 can reach anywhere in the world non-stop using its air refueling capability. As the aircraft passes, please notice the wing leading edge slats and large power lift wing flaps. These devices literally change the shape of the C-17's wing and are the key to its low final approach speed, enabling this aircraft to land and stop in short distances. The aircraft is now performing a go-around maneuver using maximum power to demonstrate its ability to park at airport where enemy resistance is suspected. The C-17 will now maneuver to show its ability to fly at slow speeds and demonstrate its advanced aerodynamics in action. The aircraft is performing a series of steep bank turns to maneuver for a low-speed pass and circle over the airfield. And in case you're wondering how big it is, the wingspan tip to tip is about half the length of a football field. The tail is over 5 stories tall. Empty, the C-17 weighs almost 280,000 pounds. With a maximum cargo and fuel load, that gross weight rises to over 500,000 pounds. Notice the upturned wingtips or winglets. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel economy. And to give you a better idea of the aircraft's overall size, those winglets are over 9 feet tall. The aircraft is extremely agile at both high and low speeds, making it easy to operate in any tactical situation, including the combat delivery capability of paratroopers or heavy equipment airdrop. The C-17 uses a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. The fly-by-wire system means that the aircraft flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from both cockpit sticks. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls of each other. If there is any problem, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has a mechanical backup. The aircraft is maneuvering to demonstrate a full flap approach to a simulated short field runway. This short field capability allows the C-17 Globemaster III to land at over 6,000 more airfields worldwide than currently available to the C-5 Galaxy or commercial wide-bodied aircraft. In fact, the C-17 has made short field landings in Bosnia, Albania, Iraq, Afghanistan, Haiti, El Salvador, and many other countries, while boasting an impressive reliability rate. The C-17 you see today weighs almost 340,000 pounds. On final approach, its speed is approximately 120 miles an hour. Approaching the end of the runway, the crew is simulating arrival at an airfield with hostile forces nearby. This approach tactic can also be used from very high altitude to avoid enemy fire. The C-17 made its inaugural flight in September of 1991. Since then, the C-17 set over 20 world records, including payload to altitude and time to climb records. Boeing delivered its first operational C-17 to Charleston Air Force Base in June of 1993. Now the crew will demonstrate a very short landing distance of the C-17 using only 1,500 feet. The ability to routinely back under its own power. Ground maneuverability is extremely important when space is limited for off-road operations on a day-to-day basis. And just for your information, ladies and gentlemen, we didn't land on a runway today. We landed on one of the taxiways out here at the airbase. All the maneuvers you've seen here today are representative of those flown by our operational air crews every day, as they provide the highly responsive and flexible airlift capability for America.